This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Elizabeth Morris. Corner unit condo in highly sought after Aquarina Beach and Country Club. White quartz countertops, new refrigerator, sink and dishwasher in the kitchen. Air conditioner replaced in 2017. New sliding doors leading to the balcony from both the master bedroom and the living room. Custom window treatments. Come enjoy this ocean to river, gated community, located adjacent to the golf course. Amenities including tennis, fishing pier, boat ramp, gym, sauna, exercise facilities, beach club and deeded beach access. There's something for everyone in this one-of-a-kind, Melbourne Beach resort-style community. For more information, review the details below or contact